I spent a great night in a proper bed in Missoula, and I'm all packed up as you can see. I've got a few errands to do. I want to give it a quick rinse off to get all the dirt off. There's a motorcycle shop about 10-15 minutes out of town that I'm gonna go by, and it's a long shop, but maybe get an oil change there, and I should pick up a front tube because I've got a back tube for the back tire, which I'll probably never be able to change anyways, and then we'll continue on down the road. Okay, goodbye to my cute little Airbnb in Missoula. First stop is the car wash, and then I'm gonna make a quick stop at Walmart. I went there yesterday specifically to buy a tarp, and it's the one thing I left without. Okay, I'll catch up with you guys back on the road. Okay, my last stop at the dealership. It was a long shot to get an oil change, and they couldn't do it. But I did pick up a tube for the front, so that's a little better peace of mind. And I also picked up some gloves, because my riding gloves for the highway are a little too thick for off-road, especially when it gets hot and sweaty and I gotta take them off and put it back on. The liner keeps popping out. So we got some highway driving to do now, and that'll be about it. We'll see where we end up today. Alrighty, quick little fuel stop, and we're not far. I'm gonna turn off to the back onto the back roads. It was about an hour of pavement or so. We still got a little bit longer, but we'll be out in the boonies soon enough. Starting some steep climbing now, with some steep drop-offs. Must be close to the top. It looks like the descent has started. Not a bad place to stop for a snack. I've got about 81 kilometers. I think it's ELk City I've mapped out. I think I'll spend the night there. Slow going, so probably another couple hours, going between 30 and 50 kilometers an hour. A quick little snack, and then we'll get back on the road. Okay, more like 95 kilometers to ELk City. It's a pretty fresh burn this year sometime. Okay, just pulled into ELk City, got some fuel, and apparently there's a camping spot called the Rider's Rest. So what I'm looking for is the sign that has two elks engaged in unspeakable behaviors. Will be the Rider's Rest. Here it is, the Rider's Rest. And there's a sign, unspeakable. Alright, so I found the elks engaged in unspeakable behavior right next to the Rider's Rest. And this is Josh, who runs the place. And he was gracious enough to let me stay here. So I'll be spending a night and camping out in town, and he even gave me a beer.